Hello graphic designers. In this short video tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you create grids in Adobe InDesign. Create a new document and I'm choosing A4 size. For the page margins, I'm keeping 0.5 inches for all sides. Creating grids manually is always time-taking and frustrating thing. So instead of creating manually, I'm going to teach you a perfect way. Layout, choose create guides. You can choose whatever rows and columns you want. I'm keeping 6 rows and 6 columns. If you notice, these guides are starting from the edge of the page, but I want these guides should start from the margin of the page. So fit guide to margins. Now you can notice these guides are starting from the margin of the page. This is another option for removing existing guides. You can select if you have. So grids are not a necessary thing, but it can enhance your design. So you can adjust your design according to these grids. You can see it is very easy to balance your design with grids. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.